Welcome to TTS 2.0. Here is a flavorful recipe for smoky chicken Hong Kong noodles, Chef Md Alamraza Khan restaurant style homemade recipe. Smoky chicken Hong Kong noodles बनाने के लिए नीचे दिए हुए step follow करें. Ingredients: 200 grams boneless chicken breast thinly sliced, 200 grams Hong Kong egg noodles or any thin egg noodles, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 to 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 small onion thinly sliced, 1 bell pepper thinly sliced, 1 carrot julienned, 2 to 3 spring onions chopped, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, for a smoky flavor, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, optional, for heat, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, optional, for garnish. Marinade for chicken: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon cornstarch, half a teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken slices with soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and black pepper. Set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Prepare noodles. Cook the Hong Kong noodles according to package instructions. Drain, rinse under cold water, and toss with a little oil to prevent sticking. 3. Stir fry the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes, until fully cooked and slightly golden. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. 4. Smoky stir fry. In the same wok, add sesame oil. Add minced garlic and ginger and saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add sliced onions, bell pepper, and carrots, stir frying for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly softened but still crunchy. 5. Add seasonings. Stir in smoked paprika and chili flakes, if using, for a smoky and mildly spicy flavor. Return the cooked chicken to the wok. 6. Combine sauces. Pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and hoisin sauce. Mix everything well to ensure the vegetables and chicken are coated evenly. 7. Add noodles. Toss in the cooked noodles, mixing thoroughly with the chicken and vegetables. Stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes on high heat to allow the flavors to melt together. 8. Final touches. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Garnish with chopped spring onions and toasted sesame seeds if desired. 9. Serve hot. Plate the smoky chicken Hong Kong noodles and enjoy. This dish has a delicious smoky flavor combined with tender chicken and perfectly stir-fried noodles. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.